Managing and optimizing field operations such as inspection, installation, maintenance, and repair of solar panels is a crucial aspect of running a solar business. In this video, we will show you how to automate the field processes of your business. Zuper is the most flexible and customizable field service management solution for fast-growing solar businesses. First, let's take a glimpse at the customizable dashboard, where you can access job statistics, statuses, customer feedback, team availability, and more, tailored to your specific business needs. Let's start by creating a solar installation job. Click on Jobs in the left navigation bar. We are now looking at the Jobs module, where you can create, assign, track, and manage all your jobs. Click on Create New Job. Choose the customer from the pop-up. Let's move on to job details. Enter the job title as Panel Installation. Let's choose the job category as Solar Renewable Energy. Pick the job start date and start time. The job end date and end time are pre-filled based on the job category chosen. Moving on to the next tab, let's assign the job to a field technician. Choose the team. You can view the user's availability below. Pick the most suitable technician and click on Assign. Now that you have filled in the necessary details, let's preview and save the job. The job is saved successfully. On the job details page, you can view the primary details like job title, status, scheduled date, SLA duration, assigned technician, service and billing address, and customer location. Now let's update the job status to scheduled. Select Scheduled from the Job Status dropdown and click on Update. We have now created a solar inspection job, assigned it to a field technician, and updated the job status. Now let's log into the technician's mobile app. The Zuper mobile app equips your field technicians with customer data, job details, parts and service details, invoicing, and real-time communication capabilities. Under Notifications, you can view the job. Let's click on it. You can update site images and other details as notes to the job. Under Notes, click on Add New Note. Upload the image and click on Save. Using the inbuilt chat application, you can also chat with the back-office staff and manager. After the installation is done, the field technician updates the job status as completed. To do so, click on Status. Select Change Status. Select Install Complete from the list of available statuses. You can upload a picture from the site or choose from Gallery. Click on Submit. The job status is updated successfully. Mandating a checklist before job completion can help field technicians ensure that all aspects of the job are completed. This can be configured using Zuper's powerful workflow engine. Now that the job is completed, let's raise an invoice. To do so, click on the New button. Click on New Invoice. You can see that the customer details are filled in. Clicking on Next, you can view the job details. You can add items for approval from the list of available items or create a new one. Select Add Item. Scroll down and select Solar Panel from the list of items. Enter the quantity that was used for the job, say 5, and click on Add. You can see the total amount with taxes. Click on Update. Let's continue to the next step. After reviewing the details, click on Create. The invoice is created successfully. The technician can now send it to the customer for payment. Click on Send to Customer. Review the email details and click on Send. The invoice is shared with the customer. To summarize, in this video, we created a solar installation job and updated its status on the Zuper web app before switching to the technician's mobile app, wherein we interacted with the job, created an invoice, and sent it to the customer. Do you want to optimize your solar field processes using Zuper? Schedule a demo with us today.